Anything you can think of can grow in Igbo land today. Man don come outside though with a heart full of joy, celebrating how he land bear fruit of melons. He can see thousands of melons in his home from his farmland. He also thank IPOB for making this possible, because earlier this year, the IPOB are making an announcement telling everybody, all Igbos, to all Biafrans, to go back to farm in order way for them to escape hungry in Nigeria. As it stands right now, they say that in Nsukka side in Enugu state, all tomatoes, onions, everything are producing massively from that particular area, that Igbo land can grow anything you can think of. Before, they will tell you that Igbo land cannot grow tomato, it cannot grow onions, it cannot grow everything. Because of this reason, the Hausas will come outside and say today they are putting sanctions or banning trailer road of onions and tomatoes coming to southeast. Sometimes they put it to west as well. But if you watch recently, they are no longer making that comment, because they can see that in this modern world, it can even grow massive of food in your home with the newest technology without GMO. Notice, without GMO. So there's many ways of growing onions, tomatoes in your backyard that can serve you anytime, any day. So they are no longer coming telling Nigerians or telling the Biafrans that they are going to ban onions or ban melons or ban different things coming. That strategy is gone, because everybody have gone to farm. Even the Yorubas show their own tomatoes coming from their own farm. Things are happening. So I'm going to play the video for you to watch. But however, let's jump into this Ogbonge news waiting for our table right now. Please stay there for Blabbergy. Share this video as many as you can. They say that the Nigerian army have sent a voice note telling the Nigerians to come outside and protest. They are going to protect them. This one na far we don already talk am say no Igbo should join that protest. When we are ready for protest, we will let you people know. Do not join this particular protest they are going for. You are the target. Okay, my people, let us watch the video of how this our brother is grateful, thanking Biafrans, thanking Chukwu Okeabiama for giving him the ability to farm and to get this kind of seed from his farm. Watch the video.
No more credit to IPOB wey make me come go back to farm. See wetin I go see for my farm to do. I begin pack and come house. I make this small video so that I go so they appreciate them. People waiting say na our farm they produce melon. I bet more na they see am na one farm. Na him produce all this melon wey they see like this. Na one farm. Na one farm wey. Let the sweet me die. See wetin I get for only one farm. Now you get this one, one more. This one don't sweet me. That is, I no fit talk. I beg, I just say make I give credit to IPOB wey make me go back to farm. Say make I go village, go farm. As in they talk, say make we go back to farm, we'll go back to farm. Almost see the farm product. Now be this so. Oluwa don't run my matter for me. Oh, this one sweet me die.
You that is watching this video, have you started your own farm? Yeah, I said it here last time. That you see that I'm going to show you people one farm here. I will use that farm to teach our people something very, very important. Do you know that the richest people in Europe, they are farmers? They all have farms. They don't eat this nonsense they bring to us. They bring it to us, but they eat natural food that come from their own farm. So if you are still doing big madam, you can farm big oga, but you can go to market and buy tomato and cook delicious, but you don't know how to farm that tomato. So ask your grandfather how they survived during Biafra war. Is farm. Then our people eat cassava leaf. Many leaf you see today, you cut it in. Our people eat it in order way to survive. So this particular thing must be a priority of everybody. Have to follow up this trend. Go back to farm something, put something in the ground, because the hunger that will visit Nigeria, e carry pikin for back o, so that time e no go be like those of our children wey Nigeria put into hunger. Make sure you go back to farm, bring your own news, wetin you get for your farm, so that encourage our people make they go back to farm. Okay, my people, let us watch the voice note. Let us listen to the voice note. Now, how Nigeria Army are calling out Nigerians to come and protest that the hunger self reach their side pass and hardship. Listen.
My brother, good morning. Please, I'm going to make this message as brief as possible. It's concerning this July 29th protest that is coming up. You know the work I do. I'm a military man, okay, and I'm just sharing this to you because you're my friend, at least right from time, okay. You see this protest that is coming up. I want you to know that majority of we the military, I'm sending you this message regards the status you posted that the military should stay away and all of that. My brother, majority of us in the military, in this Nigerian military, both police, army, navy, air force, in fact all the paramilitaries, we are solidly behind this protest. You know why? Because the hardship is even affecting all of us. You understand me? So it is insane for any military man to be ordered to kill innocent protesters. You understand me? Please, I want you, you know me very well. I can never take such order, even as a military man. I can never ever take such order. I should go and give, when don't I have civilians as family? When my family members are civilians, I should go and kill them. Or if another military man kill my family members where they are. You understand me? So please, I don't know how you're going to send this message to WhatsApp group. You know, we as military, we cannot partake in any protest because Cap A20 covers us. That is our constitution. Cap A20, it covers us. We cannot partake in any protests. You understand me? So if you are protesting and you see any military guy, please, any military man with gun, please, I beg of you, it is not to harm innocent protesters. Although our youth, they allow the government, this bad government, to use us in hijacking the protest, start fight, unnecessary fight anyway. Please, I beg of you, if you tell your people, tell all the civilians that are coming out for this protest, nobody should come with anything like weapon, no knife, no stick, no gun. I know a lot of civilians now like this now, they get their personal weapon. Please, no weapon of any kind. You know why? Because even as a military man like me now, on that very day we will be posted, deployed out for peace. Nobody can order me like this to kill anybody. We are to maintain peace and stability of that protest. Now while we are there, we see one or two crazy people who call themselves protesters coming. If they go and you see somebody coming towards you with a what is it called, a stick, do you know that stick can kill somebody? There is a place that will hit you with just one hit with a stick and you are gone, brother. You will not be alive again to fire that your gun.
That's right.
You understand me? So you will not say because I'm carrying a stick, I will go with anger close to a military man to attack him, and he will not fire me because I am carrying a stick. No, my brother. He himself wants to stay alive for his family too. But please, if everybody comes out with placard, right? This government is bad, brother. We know. You know I cannot post this voice note that I'm sending to you. I cannot post, but you as a civilian, you can send it to any group you like. You understand me? Please tell them, no, but let us come out. The military, I know in this country, a lot of people hate the military so much. See, let me tell you, in every organization there are bad eggs. Even in religious gatherings, there are bad heads. In any organization, there are bad, civil organization, public places, anywhere, there are bad eggs. Even in the police, that you think police is the most corrupt organization, you never see anything. They are bad eggs and they are still good people. They are still good people, my brother. Even among the civilians, among the youths. Okay, who will the government, with all those politicians, who will they use to hijack the protest? Is it not the youths? Those are the bad eggs. You understand me? So I am not here to defend any military. It is my organization. But what I'm telling you, bros, we still have good people. There is no way protesters will come out peacefully and protest against this bad government of the day. And any sane military will go out. They don't ponder military man in the mad. you can never, even now your colleagues go deal with you. You understand me? So please, my brother, forward this message as quick as possible. I had to take my time to send this message to you. Send it to any group. Let them take their time to. I know a lot of them will still not hearken to it because their hate for military is unimaginable. But please, anybody they protest. You see, any country has the right to protest when the government of the day is not doing well. That's what the Constitution says. But it is not violent. It should be a peaceful protest. Please. The security men that are coming out is because anyway there are gatherings like that, they have to be security agencies. You understand me? It is not for this thing. The arms they are carrying is not to kill the protesters. You understand? Please and please, I'm begging you. I know you have the right to say yes, this, but please, I'm begging you. Even all of us, we don't tire. All of us, we are tired, man. We are tired. See, in this country now, civilians are the ones that has the mouth. If you don't know, you civilians are now. You people will have the right to tell the government what you want, but we in the military, we cannot do that. We cannot do that.
That's right.
You understand me? So please forward this message as fast as possible to any group. Let them read it. Anybody that is coming out to protest should come out peacefully to protest. Let me see that. See, you are not even know the plans where we get from. Let us see that military man that will fire anybody where know the attack, where they protest against bad government. Yeah, he go tell us whether where him from, whether in Nigeria, India, been away India. You understand me? I beg, my brother, forward this message. You understand me? All of us here in Kaduna, we know everything that is going on, and we are secret. I'm telling you the truth. We are secretly behind the politicians. Behind the youths. You understand me? We are secretly because it is too much. Your boy, we have gotten it up to here. Our Cap 820 Act does not permit us to do all this. Even on our military, we are for start because now we have the weapons. You understand me? So please and please forward this message as soon as possible to all the groups. Make them forward, and anybody with the group, make him forward them. You understand? Make him forward them. Okay?
Okay, my people, now so we see am and now we say more carry am come show una. The advice to our people be very careful, stay away from this protest. That is our advice to our own people, because they can't buy us anyhow anymore. We want to outnumber them, so let us keep growing and stop dying. We go old though, we go die, but as a youth, save that strength. Where we need it, where we going to need it is very, very close. Yes, we need that your energy to protest. We need that your energy to talk. It's very close, and we cannot be a scapegoat. When Igbos join tomorrow, they will, like they are saying that Igbos are the ones who destroy their bosses in Lagos. They are not going to allow that to happen again. This is the people who are calling for protests. So protests have not started. They are demanding Igbos. They are the one who do this. They are the one who do this. Is it Igbo that started the answer protest? The answer is no. My people, please be very careful. Share this video. You get why.